thing is legit. I love the sprocket and the chain. Yes, sir.
The stretch blocks are probably coming off.
Yeah, a lot of people aren't fans of them, but it's definitely a way to get the stretch done cheap. You're probably gonna spend about $500 to $1,200 for a legit arm.
They were on it when I bought the bike.
Full Brock system. Everybody loves Brocks. It's one of the best looking and full legit, full exhaust you can get for them. That's for sure. Is that a carbon fiber rim?
Yeah, front and back.
Oh my god.
A little dirty, man.
They're all dirty, man. As long as they go fast, right? Yeah. As long as it goes fast.
Those and the ceramic bearings are a game.
2015, I'm pretty sure he said. ZX14. Fucking carbon fiber wheels. Like, oh my god. Flossing out. Full Brock exhaust system. Full PC5 tune. He's got bar risers. He's got straps for his bars. If you're not aware of what those are, they're actually straps to attach to your actual brake calipers, and they will pull the bike down so there's no front end slop when you get on it, so the front end doesn't pick up, so to speak, as far as slack. Not wheelie wise, but it'll keep your front end really solid and stable. Oh, that was perfect timing. Sure, why not?
It does have a quick shifter.
I mean, I'm not gonna beat on it. I've never ridden one this big. Gee whiz, this thing's big. Oh, this is interesting. Tell you what though, for riding a freaking cow, this thing is nice. This thing drives like a freaking Cadillac. Bit of wheel spinning first. That wasn't even wide open. Oh my gosh. 80 miles an hour in the turn. For a ZX14, this thing handles like a UFO. By gosh. The bearded Zeus. Jesus. So much torque. Ugh. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is savage. And keep in mind, that wasn't ruthless. That was just playing with it, bro. Oh my god. Jesus. I'm so glad I got all that video.
Compound back tires.
Dude, yeah, that thing drives like a fucking Cadillac.
It's so comfy.
Oh my god.
And I want the, there's a seat out. It's like cut.
Yeah. Yeah, get you on the butt better. Yeah. The solo seat on the Nightster was terrible for that. That's why I did that 2-up seat. Holy hell. I mean, I didn't even thrash on it, because I've ridden 2 other Boozas. I do a ZX14 all day. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
It's just comfort.
Just everything. So much torque. I was bucking a little bit, chasing you down on the second run. I'm pretty sure I've got the boost too low. I think I'm too rich, because I could feel it kind of hesitating a little bit. But all the sauce at 5.5. We'll definitely run her again once we get the boost turned up. I feel like it's way turned down right now.
Yeah.
Any video I've ever seen on YouTube, they're all at like 10 and 14 pounds. But that Jesus, that's awesome. Great purchase. Because I've ridden the CBR 1000. That was my first 1000, so I know what you left to get here.
Yeah.
Well worth it.
Oh.
I mean, you can barely even tell this is different than the CBR 1000.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, shit. Do you feel any less agile, like doing your knee dragging lifestyle?
I mean, the CBR falls in corners.
Yeah.
This one ain't bad at all.
Shit, man. You can barely even tell it's damn stretched.
Yeah.
That thing is naughty. Nuts. Nuts. You want to ride the V-Rod?
I rode my buddies.
Okay. All right. I don't want to be that guy. It's like, thanks for riding your bike. Hey, take off. Oh, yeah. That's going to make a way better video. I didn't even think about asking to ride it.
I wasn't going to come out here and not let you ride it.
I love it, man. It's sharp as hell. I love like the red with the red Brocs and the chains red. You just can't beat it. I love it.
Yeah, fucking Brock package. It's like $2,500.
They are up there. They are straight Cook's header exhaust prices.
And it was on here already. I was like, oh, shit.
In the bag.
Yep.
It drops the bike price down $2,000. Why not?
Yep.
Absolutely. I got the V-Rod for $6,500.
Holy shit.
Yes, exactly. So I hope you liked the video.